Alright ladies and gents, it's another favorites video, which means I will be doing another giveaway and I'm so excited, so stay tuned to the end of this video to learn the details of that giveaway and how you can win it. Let's just jump right into today's video. I don't want to have too long of an intro and I really loved being able to just sit down and talk to the camera like this. So it is almost the end of April. I had to think about which month it was. What's going on with me? Can I talk today? Apparently not. Yes, so anyways, it's the end of April, which is just crazy. I can't believe it's May. I'm so excited because that means summer is right around the corner, and here in Pennsylvania, winters are very long and very cold. In fact, it just started getting warm last week, so I am so excited for spring and summer and all the things that go along with it. But anyways, I'm rambling. So my first favorite today is going to be this Smashbox So Chill Coconut Primer Water. If you have seen any of my recent tutorials, I'm sure you've seen me use this. I love this primer so much because not only does it smell amazing, it feels so refreshing on the skin, but it is also so quick and easy to use. With primers or any kind of face products, anything where you're going to be touching your face, you always want to make sure your hands are washed right beforehand. I'm super weird about that. Like, I have to make sure my hands are clean and I really don't want to touch anything else because I don't want to get germs on them and then touch my face and get the germs on my face. So what I love about this so much is if I'm rushing to get ready, I don't have to stop what I'm doing, go wash my hands, dry them off, come back and put my primer on. I can just spray this on my face on the go and finish off the rest of my makeup. You can also spray this on your face throughout the day to kind of refresh it or refresh your makeup. I haven't used it like that yet, but I know I probably will coming these summer months once my oily skin starts to show up and I kind of start to sweat it off a little quicker. So this is great for touch-ups as well if you're gonna powder or anything like that. But I just love how refreshing this feels, how easy it is to use, and how good it smells. I believe this is part of their collaboration with Nicole Concilio. They had 3 other scents along with this coconut one, but they are always sold out of the coconut one, I find, so if you can pick this one up, girl, get you some coconut water spray. It's good. Sticking with the trend of primers, this next primer is not new by any means, but it is new to me. This is the Angel Veil Primer by NYX. To me, this is like the perfect everyday primer. It's not super hydrating, it's not mattifying, it's just an all-over primer that fills your pores really nicely, smooths out your skin, and puts a nice barrier between your skin and your makeup. This is drugstore as well, which is nice because it's more on the affordable end, and I feel like you only have to use a little bit of this so you really get a good bang for your buck. The next favorite is also not something that's new, but like I said, it's new to me, and this is the Dip Brow by Anastasia. I have mine in the shade Chocolate. As you can see, I have already dipped into it quite a few times. What I love about this product is I can use it for my brows, but since I have it in the chocolate shade, I can also use it for eyeliner, which is what I did today, and I love the way brown eyeliner looks on eyes, especially green and blue eyes, because it really makes them pop. But yes, I've been loving this because I can do dramatic brows with this, I can do feathered brows with this, I can do liner. This product is very, very versatile, so if you haven't tried this out and you're late to the train, or what, that's not right at all. You're late to the trend like I am. Try it out. I think you'll really like it. I don't see why you wouldn't because it's bomb. My next favorite, which goes right along with my dip brow, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush in the number 14. I love this brush so much because it has a super, super fine tip, so you're really able to go in and define your brows and draw on brow hairs, and the spoolie is also really nice and sturdy as well. I find that sometimes spoolies can be a little flimsy, like the bristles aren't stiff enough, and I really like this brush. If you get a chance to pick this up, do it. Honestly, I feel like I say that with all my favorites, but that's just because I love these products and I think you guys will too. So if you get the chance to try out any of these favorites, let me know. I'd like to know what you guys think of them, and I really think you'll like them, so good stuff. The next product, sticking with the brow trend, is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I don't know why it took me so long to hop onto the tinted brow gel train because, girl, it has changed my life. It is so quick and easy to do my brows with this. If I want them to look natural, or even if I want them to look a bit more defined, I'll go through and wiggle the brush kind of like up and down and side to side to get more of the pigment onto my brows. But this makes your brows look so natural. It fills them in for you and it adds definition, and I use this on a day-to-day basis to set my brows, or sometimes I'll use it when I'm wearing no makeup just to add a bit more definition to my face. I literally head over heels for this. This brow gel has changed my life. I swear to God, if you have not tried this, girl, go get you some because you don't know what you're missing and your life will never be the same. So thank you so much to Benefit for making this incredible product because it has changed my brow game. Another favorite of this month has been, I don't know if I put this in my last favorites video, but I don't think I did. It is the Tarte Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. This stuff is A1 steak sauce. It is so pigmented, so full coverage, super lightweight, and it also keeps me matte all day long. That is one thing I love about this foundation is they have two versions of it, a hydrating version and a matte version. I tried a sample of the hydrating version throughout the winter when my skin was more dry, and that is so beautiful and luminous on the skin, but on a day-to-day basis or whenever I am doing foundation lately, I have been using the matte version just because my oily skin is kind of starting to act up again with the change of seasons. However, a little bit goes a long way. I love the Tarte Shape Tape line. They can do no wrong with that line. I really hope that they release more and more products, and I truly think they will because they have hit the jackpot with the Shape Tape line. So if you haven't tried out this foundation and you're looking for something that is full coverage but still lightweight, definitely try out the Tarte Shape Tape because it is thebomb.com. The next favorite I have is a Dose of Colors lipstick, and I am feeling this shade in Karma so much this month because it is so springy. As you can see if my camera wants to focus, it is just this beautiful, beautiful peach shade. I love this so much because it's not too orange, it's not too pink, it's not too red. It is a true peach shade. It is perfect for spring because it really brightens up the face and adds color without being too overboard. You can wear this with a full face of makeup, or you can wear this if you're going for something more natural. What I like to do if I'm wearing this for a more natural look is I like to pat it onto my lips and then kind of blend it in for more of a wash of color rather than like straight color. That's what I did today is I just patted this over top of my lips and then put on a gloss over top of it. So you can see it's a very versatile lipstick, which is also why I like it, and I love the formula. It is very satiny and creamy and blendable. The next favorite I have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is such a beautiful palette. As you guys can see, it has all of the right shades. Everyone's been fiending over this palette from what I've seen on social media, and when I saw this, it just spoke to me. It's warm, it's your staple colors, and I would definitely recommend picking up this palette if you feel like you need something that has more of those staple shades. What I like about this palette also is it has a lot of popular Anastasia shades in it. It has Tempera, Orange Soda, Burnt Orange, Sienna, Rustic, and Cypress Umber, which I know are super popular. It also has the black shade in Noir, which is nice. It is a super matte black shade, obviously. And so I love this palette so much so that this is the item I'm giving away in my giveaway this month because I know you guys will love it just as much as I do, but I'm getting ahead of myself. I have one more product to show you and then we will come back to this guy right here. So the next product I've been loving this month is actually a hair product. This is the Fusionplex Hair Mask by Wella. This is... I just dropped it. This is their newest line that they released. The reason why I literally am insanely obsessed with, that was so dramatic, okay, that was just, it's a hair mask, Brooke, calm down. The reason why I'm so obsessed with this product is first off because it's literally, stop being so dramatic, calm down. It smells like heaven on earth. I don't even know how to describe the smell. I don't know if they like describe it anywhere, but oh girl, it just smells so freaking good. But not only that, my hair has never been so soft than when I've used this product. What I love so much about the Fusionplex line is it is a repairing line, so it'll help to repair your hair even if it's just dried out and damaged after you've colored it, after you've used too much heat on it. I love this product so much. I believe this has keratin in it, which is what your hair is made up of. Keratin protein is one of the things, so it really helps to restore and repair the hair. I feel like my hair holds a lot of moisture with this, but not too much to the sense where I feel weighed down or greasy. I have thick hair and I have a lot of it, so this does not weigh my hair down at all. It's very lightweight. It feels clean even. I'm on like day 3 now and my hair still feels very clean, and I just have been fiending for this. I've been using this all the time. I believe they sell it at Ulta. I got mine at Cosmo Pro, so I'm not exactly sure, but I know Ulta does carry Wella. So if you get a chance, if you see this in the store, smell it, and I promise you'll be sold right when you smell it because it's that amazing. Alright, so now on to the giveaway portion of today's video. So like I said, I will be giving away a soft glam palette to one lucky winner. This is open internationally, and all you have to do to win this palette is be subscribed to my channel and have my post notifications turned on. Just drop a comment down below letting me know the #1 place you want to travel to. That's just the first thing I thought of, so let me know where you want to travel to. My list is so freaking long, you guys have no idea. But let me know where you guys want to travel to the most right now, and I will pick a winner in about a week and a half. Let's see. I will be picking the winner on Saturday, May 12th, and I will be announcing the winner. Oh my god. And I will be announcing the winner on Sunday, May 13th. And I will be checking, so don't try to like finesse on me because you won't. you won't finesse. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like kind of straying away from makeup tutorials sometimes, and even though this is still beauty related, that's what my channel is, it's nice to sit down and feel like I can kind of talk to the camera a little bit more because I don't necessarily have to be explaining each and everything I am doing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Feel free to enter the giveaway if you want. If you want to win the palette, it's great. I think whoever wins it is gonna love it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, drop some comments down below. Let me know how you're feeling today, how's your day going, what you want to see in the future, some good news. I don't know, you just let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.